Hey guys, it's me Alexis. I'm in the car again. So yeah, it goes to that. But we just went to the store, Walmart. We're still getting out of the driveway. Sorry if it like shakes a little or whatever. So yeah. So the first thing, I'm just gonna like scoot over here. So the first thing I got, well, that I see, is this little thing. It's called Soft and Slow Squishy Mouse. Oh, and it says it in a different language as well. So yeah. So let's just open this. Oh, it's smooth. So this is a koala, I'm pretty sure, and this is a cupcake, and it's soft, like, but, oh my gosh, did you hear that air? It's super noisy. But, did you hear that air? It smells like chemicals. But yeah, that was air. But yeah, the cupcake wrapper is so much softer than everything else. Oh no, the koala's way softer. But yeah, since it's so big, it's like hard to squish. So then, where's everything else? Okay, so I have lots of stuff in here, like clothes. And let's check the other bag. Okay, here they are. This is my popcorn. Okay. So next we're going to save the best for last. So this is like a surprise thing. And I'm gonna, oh, it's a taco! Mom, remember I was telling you that I wanted the taco or the marshmallow? Watch. Look at the taco. It's so soft. Yeah. It's so soft and it smells so good. Look. Even my mom loves it. But it's so soft and it smells like strawberries. It's so good. I love this. It has a little ball chain. It didn't really come with anything else except the squishy and the ball chain. It just fell. Okay. But yeah, let's put the ball chain on the squishy. So yeah. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Okay. Okay guys, so I like put it weirdly, so it might shake a little, but I don't like how it shakes, so I'm just gonna put it like how it is. But yeah, so I finally got the ball chain after 30 minutes trying to put it in because of my nails. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it so much. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna keep this one here because I don't want to lose it. So this one's the best for last, even though I love all of them. It's a unicorn, guys. A unicorn. A freaking unicorn. What? Doggy! There's a doggy outside! Okay. But yeah, it's a unicorn. It feels really weird at the bottom. I don't know. But everything else feels so smooth. It's a little dirty, but no. It's so slow rising. I could trick people into thinking this is an eye bloom squishy because look at how slow rising that is. This one also smells like chemicals. But eye bloom squishies actually smell really, really good because I've gotten an eye bloom strawberry by them, and it smells so good. It came with my favorite candy. Oh yeah, comment down below what's your guys' favorite candy. Mine is Haichu. so good. But yeah, this is the softest, slow rising squishy I have ever touched. But it's so good. Like, can we just appreciate this squishy real quick? Like, thank God I love this so squishy. This so squishy. Okay. Look at its tiny little horn. The top of the horn feels like so weird. It feels like plastic. But yeah, it's so soft. So yeah, now let's review all my food and stuff I got. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I know this is a short video for the videos that I do. But that's because we're in a car. And I didn't get too much squishies. I just got one or three. One and my I'm gonna make a squishy review. What? I'm gonna show you guys all my squishies. But yeah, this is so cute. Like, look at it.